What's up, everyone? My name is Christian Moon. I'm a sales engineer here with the Zmanda team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Zmanda Pro software onto a Linux system. In the last video, I showed how to do it on a Windows system, so today is for all those Penguin lovers out there. Let's jump right into it. So after you log into your admin portal, you will go to the Download Client Software tab, and here in the right side you'll see the Linux download link. When you click on the link, you'll have an option to just download the binaries directly, or you can also copy the curl and wget commands. So I can copy the curl command, open up my shell, and you can paste in that command and run it. So I already ran this command and have the executable, as you can see right at the top, Zmanda Pro version.run. All you need to do is change this to be executable and then run it. So let me run it now and show you what happens once you do. So this will be a first-time installation. Upgrades are just as simple. You'll just run the new run file. It'll ask you for some credentials and you'll be able to log in. This is automatically picking up my user configs. If it doesn't, just enter in the user associated with, or the username associated with the user account that you wish to use. Just as a reminder, the user account that you need to use to log in are the ones listed here in the Users tab. Do not use administrative user credentials to try to log into the Zmanda Pro clients, and that goes for Windows and Linux. So this is already picking up my user, test user-demo. It'll ask for a password, so let me enter that in. The server URL, make sure that that matches what your server URL is. So in this case, it's betsallbackup.zmanda.com. Yours will be something like yourcompanyname.zmanda.com or even yourcompanyname.pro.zmanda.com. Since this is already pointing to the right place, we'll click enter. It'll log in and we'll be good to go. Let me go back to the administrative console, and now you'll be able to see another device here registered. So in this case, it's localhost.localdomain. This is my Linux system that I just logged into, and you're ready now to go create protected items and start running backups. So that's all I had to cover in this video. In the next video, I'll be going over how to create protected items, a few of the advanced features you can do like pre and post scripting, and things like that. So can't wait to see you there. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our sales team at sales@zmanda.com. If you have any support questions, you can reach out to support@zmanda.com. I'll see you in the next video.